the homework for today is going to be inverse functions. A study found that the trans fat content in fast food products varied widely around the world based on the type of frying oil used as shown in the table. If the set of countries is the domain and the set of trans fats is the range of the function, consisting of 6 pairs listed, is the function a 1-to-1. Country A, 19, country B, 11, country C, 11, country D, 8, country E, 3, country F, 4. Now, there's only one answer for each question going this way, but if you notice going the other way, country B and country C are both 11, so it is not a 1-to-1. Number 2. So you look here, country A, B, C, D, E, F. Each one is used only once. 12, looks like each distance is used only once, so it is a 1-to-1. All right. A 1-to-1 means that if you go vertically, you only cross it once, and if you go horizontally, you only cross it once. And the only one that is like that is letter B. So that is the 1-to-1 here. All right. 4, -4, 0, -1, 5, 3, -1, 1, -2. This is invertible. And the inverse functions are 0, -4, 5, -1, -1, 3, and -2, 1. What did I do wrong? Oh. -4, 0, -1, 5, -1, 3, -2, 1. Maybe I didn't. Oh, I didn't put a comma here. And you got to be very careful here, huh? Is this a function of 1-to-1? 0, 5, 4, 3, 1, 5. Nope, because 5 is connected with both 0 and the 5 and the 1. Is this a function? Well, what you do to find out if it's a function is go like this. Y equals 9x minus 6. Now solve it for x, so add 6 to both sides. Y plus 6 equals 9x. Now divide both sides by 9. X equals y plus 6 over 9. So it is a function because the letter is all alone. It doesn't have any exponent. What is the formula? Well, I just did it. It's right here, y plus 6 over 9. So we would write it with x instead of y. Fraction x plus 6 over 9. What we do is we write y equals square root x plus 9. And remember, we have to be greater than -9. Let's switch the letters around. X equals square root y plus 9. And let's get y all alone. So square both sides. X squared equals y plus 9. Subtract 9 from each side. X squared minus 9 is y. So the function is x squared minus 9. Next one. Is this function a 1-to-1? Well, let's see. Y equals x cubed minus 2, switch the letters. solve for y. X minus 2 is y cubed. Take the cube root of both sides. Cube root x minus 2. So it is a function because when you have an odd power, it's always going to be, or an odd index, it's always going to be a function. And the formula is square root, or cube root, x plus 2. It is a function. Use the vertical line test. It is a 1-to-1. Now, what is that? What is its inverse function? Well, if you draw the line like that and make an mirror image about that, it's going to go like that. So it is a 1-to-1. Yes. And its mirror image is going to be, how did I draw the mirror image? Let's see, like that, huh? Mirror image is this one, letter C. Alright. Number 10. First off, it tells us that it's a function, so we write y equals 2x plus 1, switch the letters, x equals 2y plus 1, and get the y all alone. X minus 1 divided by 2 is y. So we move the 1 to the other side, move the 2 to the bottom. So f of x equals 1/2 x minus 1/2. F of x equals 1/2 x minus 1/2, and we have to graph both of them. So let's graph the function first. It's going to be up 1, and from there do a slope of 2, and the other line is going to be down 1/2, and from there do a slope of 1/2. And number 11. Graph the function as a blue line, and then graph its inverse function. Y equals square root x, switch them around, x equals square root y, square both sides, y equals x squared. Okay, so f of x is the blue line. So we're going to go across that line. It's going to be letter B is its inverse function. All right, number 9. It says